What's up guys, welcome back to the Cheesy Does It cooking vlog. Today we're making a hangover sandwich. Now, I don't really know much about hangovers because I don't drink. Nope, never once. I know, crazy, right? The only thing I actually do get drunk on is Jesus. The Lord teaches us many things, including how to love, how to forgive, how to be kind to one another, how to love thy neighbor. Okay, so this is my idea for a perfect breakfast sandwich. Meat, eggs, cheese, veggies, and sauce, all on a buttery brioche bun. First, we need to start with some pork tenderloins. Season them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then give it a little patty mayonnaise to work all the seasoning in.
Patty mayonnaise.
Next, we're gonna make our own homemade bacon. That's right, homemade. This is super easy. First, you start with some Altoid mince. Then, add a breakup letter from an ex-girlfriend, some bottled up tears from how much you cried that night. Cover it with a magic towel, then beat your feelings into submission. I said I was over it, but I'm not. And boom, homemade bacon. Next, add some oil to a hot pan. We're gonna brown some onions. Give it a little mix with a wooden spoon that has a hole in it. This is crucial because in another dry pan, add the homemade bacon and cook until done. Bacon. Well, hello there. Beep boop, beep boop. In the same pan, cook your pork tenderloins. Depending on thickness, these should take about a minute on each side. This little piece here is to feed your least favorite kid, because it wouldn't be the worst thing if Jared starved to death. Next, we're gonna grill the brioche buns. Butter these babies up good so they get nice and crispy. Grill these hotcakes on medium heat until golden brown. Give it some gentle Patricia mayonnaises. Brioche is delicate, so go easy on it. Okay, it's done. Take it off. It's sexy. Next is the sauce. Real simple. Mayo splooge, sriracha, chuppies, and some Sir Mix-a-Lot.
Baby got back.
Tastes good. Okay, next we scramble some eggs. First, you need to crack them in the pan. Then take the shells out. See? Look how well this works. There's only one little bit of shell. I'm gonna leave it in. I like being surprised. Okay, chefs, here's a crash course in scrambling eggs. First, break the yolks and stir. Then, add some butter and stir some more. The key is to constantly stir and fold. While you stir and fold, you want to alternate between heat and no heat. If you leave it on the heat too long, it'll cook too fast. So stir and fold off the heat, then back on the heat. Then off the heat again, and back on the heat. Then way off the heat, and back on the heat. Then season it and add some chives. Turn off the heat and give it one last stir. Perfect scrambled eggs. Okay, now we're gonna put this bad boy together. Start with your grilled bottom bun, some sauce, then add your eggs, a slice of American cheese, your bacon, grilled onion, avocado, tomatoes, and lastly, top bun, hun. There you have it, a salty, greasy, deliciously perfect sandwich to cure that nasty hangover. And a mint. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look at us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does It Cooking. Guys, this here is Amanda. She runs the Shaping Up blog. It teaches you how to be healthy while traveling. So I'll put the link in the description below. What are you doing?
I'm hungover.
Just kidding, guys. It's just water. But, fun fact, I have actually puked in this bucket several times.